or the canary? A dilemma tale from West Africa. When the man died, he had a great estate, but he had not left a will, so it was up to the judge to decide who would have the estate. Well, the word went out about his death, and every cousin and nephew and uncle and aunt from across the countryside came lining up to the court that day. Most of them had not seen him for many years, and when the judge looked at all these people in his court, he said, "Go away, go away. You have no right. Just because you're a cousin or a nephew or something, you have not been with him for years. Go away." But after he sent all those people away, there were still two in the court, a parrot and a canary. "Okay, you two," said the judge. "You lived with him. You shared his house. One of you should have his estate. I'm not sure which one, so I would like to listen to your arguments. Parrot, you're first." "Thank you very much, Your Honor. Yes. I definitely deserve the estate." And the judge said, "Why is that?" "I'll tell you why. I'm the reason he has the estate in the first place. You see, Judge, years ago, he didn't have any money at all. He was just designing some clothes, but nothing would sell. And one day he went into the jungle and he saw me. And he captured me. And he took one of my feathers and he made it part of his design of a cloak. Oh, people were lined up. They wanted that cloak and they paid dear for it. And after that, everyone wanted something that he designed. One thing after another. He could sell. And if he wanted to make a little extra, he would take another of my feathers and design something around that feather. And it would be sold immediately for much more than he got for anything else. And so, you see, Judge, I am the reason he has the estate in the first place. And so, I should get the estate." And the judge said, "Very well said, Parrot. Okay, now that's the parrot. And now, Canary, what do you have to say?" And the canary said, "Well, the reason I think I should have the estate, I was his only friend. Every day, when he had breakfast, I would sing to him. I stayed in the house most of the time. I would go and fly every so often, but I'd always come back, and I would sing to him. And I brought him happiness, because everybody needs a friend, and I was his friend, singing my songs for him every day. So I think I should get the estate." And the judge said, "Well said, Canary. Let me think. Parrot, were you a friend of this man?" No. We were not friends. We were business partners, kind of. I guess you would say business partners." And the judge looked at the canary and said, "Anything that you did it make him more money?" No. Our friendship was not about money. It was about friendship." Parrot or canary? Which one? Well, the parrot did help him make his money. The canary was his friend. Which one? Parrot or canary? The judge could not make up his mind. Can you? You decide. That's the story.